stared carefully. Both of them ran towards the tree and grabbed the fruit at the same time. This fruit belongs to me. I saw it first. No, it belongs to me. I touched it first. Both of them started arguing over the fruit. They refused to share it with each other and started claiming the fruit for themselves. Finally, they decided to ask their parents. So both of them went home. When they reached Mount Kailash, they showed the fruit to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Mother, this is my fruit. I saw it first. No, it is mine. I touched it first. Lord Shiva recognized the fruit and said, this fruit is known to grant immorality and extensive knowledge when eaten by the rightful bearer of it. I think we should divide the fruit into parts and give it to both of them. No, one has to eat the whole fruit, acquire its power. I am the elder brother, so I should get the fruit. I am the younger brother, so I should get the fruit. Lord, now you decide who should get this fruit. I think we should call Narad Muni. He will definitely find a solution. Lord Shiva called Narad Muni. Narayan, Narayan, Ram. Why did he call me? Goddess Parvati explained the situation to Narad Muni. Narayan, Narayan. To choose who gets it, I propose a challenge. Okay, both of you have to go around the universe 3 times. Whoever will do so and return to Mount Kailash first will win, and he will be the rightful owner of the fruit. I think that is a good idea. Okay, we accept the challenge. Kartikeya immediately hopped onto his vehicle Peacock and flew at full speed to complete 3 revolutions around the universe. Ganesha thought for a while. My vehicle, the mouse, cannot fly, and even if he runs very fast, he will not be able to defeat the peacock. I will have to think of some other plan. As an idea struck Ganesha's mind, he smiled. Ganesha started walking around Shiva and Parvati. Lord Shiva was